Hey, good morning, everybody. We're ready to get this Thursday going here. We got 2 more days to make money before we have to start spending money. All right, let me get out of this. All right, we got a pretty decent list this morning. Always pretty active during earnings season. Let's see. STRP, I think maybe in a buyout or something. I can't remember. Let me see what's going on with it. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't. Yeah, Verizon is buying out STRP, so that's probably going to be a no-go. M is on earnings, and it tanked early this morning. I mean, as soon as earnings came out, it was a pretty bad earnings miss. So Macy's isn't doing very well. Would have been nice to catch this. Would have been nice for it to bounce after that big washout candle, but still nothing. So I'm not chasing anything down at this point. But I will have it on watch. Let's see if it bounces. MGOR. Let's see. Yeah, they're on earnings. They reported. When did they report? Let me see. They reported yesterday morning. I guess it just, whatever it gapped up yesterday, it just kind of recovered. Not sure if there's anything there on it. Tesla, I'm not messing with today. KSS. If my account was back a little bit bigger, I would, but not gonna mess with it today. You know, if I ever see this guy in person, I will slap him so hard. I'm tired of seeing his face. Let's see, Coles. Okay, they had an earnings beat, but but their sales, they had an earnings beat, but they missed their projections on sales, which the market will, most of the time the market will interpret it as negative. But it just jumped off the scanner, but I'll still have it on watch here. Yelp. It's the second day for Yelp. So I don't know what's going on with it. Advertisers revoked. Let's see. Investigation of Yelp. Yelp might be in a little bit of trouble, but it did. I mean, somehow it gapped up. So I'll watch it. It might be interesting to see how this ticker reacts. Gold, I don't mess with. SGMO is not in my wheelhouse. And NTES is too high a price for my account size right now. So, maybe later in the month, if I make any money this month. Doesn't look like I'm gonna make much money this month. Last week, the only thing that saved me last week was the swing trades I had on AOI. If it wasn't for that, this account wouldn't really be much of nothing right now. Alright, let's see what's over on this side of the fence. Oh, snap. See what's up with Snap. I mean, people think this is just going to tank anyway. There's just no faith in this stock. This is why Snap could now be one of the most hated companies on all Wall Street. They lost $2.2 billion in this first quarter. Holy cow. Well, at least I now have shares to short. Oh, Snap. But don't know how much room it's going to have to move today. Don't know how much room it's going to have to move today, but we'll see. Right now, it doesn't look like there's a lot of opportunity for it. But we'll keep that on watch as well. Yeah, David, I trade Tesla, but right now my account, I wired out and excuse me, started back over the month at $5,000. So I don't have enough money in there to make it worth my while to trade on Tesla right now. Plus, I don't like the chart much right now anyway. I don't see a big move in it. I would have to see 3, 4, 5 points opportunity in it so that I could get in with like 50 shares and be comfortable that it were being worth my while. So right now I'm sticking to my 150 cap. Until I can get around $7,500 in there, then I may start looking at the higher price stocks. But I have to keep growing this thing. All right. So let's look at the charts here. And we had a Windows update last night, and every time it updates, it screws up the order of my monitors. So I had to fight with that this morning. This AAOI, which I think we're going to pull back today. I'm going to be watching AAOI. Possibly, I got to see what it's going to do. I need to remove this. And remove this. Okay, the next level that we have here is going to be 60.19. I'm thinking we may get a pullback. We may get a pullback today. We may get some relief. So I'm going to be watching it. So that's what I want to be watching for AAOI, to see if we get a decent pullback here today. Let's see. Tried to bounce a little bit, but that's a very weak bounce. I would like it to come back and give a solid test to this VWAP here and the 9. Then I might be interested in getting in. Right now it's too oversold for me, and we've had this big move down without any decent relief, so I wouldn't be interested in this unless we got some type of relief, some type of decent relief, not just one candle, but something that goes up and tests a level of resistance that I could really get short off of. But I don't have any confidence in this one right now. Let's see if we find some price action below that level there. How far back do we have to go? Let's see, we're back in 2011. we got some serious support there. We're in a decent little window right now. So this definitely has potential. Definitely has potential here. But we're in a nice window. And we're sitting on this support here, but we have a nice window. Maybe a point. But I keep an eye on this, because it looks like this is where, when it fails, this is kind of where it congregates. Yeah, that window doesn't look so good now. Yeah, kind of doesn't look that good now. Let me see if anything else looks better to me. KSS. See, we're at 38. We're down here. We're into some price action. KSS does look pretty good. It's got, it's got some levels here, but halfway decent windows of opportunity. Good base hit opportunities is what it is. Let's look at Yelp. Yep. All of these are old drawings. Before I knew what I was doing. This isn't very convincing. This will have to pick up something at the open. Right now, it doesn't look like there's anything there for me. So it may be, it may hit the scan for a secondary watch. But for the open, I don't really see anything for me there. Okay, the last one I got on here to look for is Snap. See, we haven't been able to push anything really. See where that lines up with the 20. So we're at new lows. 1890 was previous low. And we significantly gapped down. This was not pretty. But I keep an eye on it to see, if the range opens up on it, and it gives us a good opportunity. And now my plan on AAOI is going to be based on whether it stays red on the day. I mean, if it goes green and it keeps going, then this probably won't be the day that we get a little relief. Not with the exception of M, haven't seen much excitement out there this morning. I hate snap gap down the way it did that early. But I think that big gap down kind of took away any hope we have of trading this. Let me take one last look at Yelp. Yeah, I'm not feeling Yelp for the watch list. So as it stands right now, I'm watching, AAOI, which I'm, looking to see if this is going to be the pullback day. If not, then we may look more to the long side off of the red to green line. Watching M, even though it's got a lot of traffic and it's got a lot of support up under it where it is now, we'll keep my eye on it. And that right now doesn't look like I see I have many opportunities. But it could get into a decent window and give us a shot. You know, like if it wasn't for this 25.68 level, you know, it'd be worth getting it under this 30. I mean, under 26. But it seems to be respecting this window it's in right now pretty good. Plus, it's oversold already, so I wouldn't be interested in this unless we got a nice bounce. Just not setting up the way I would like it to. And Snap is selling off pretty hard. Alright, so that's what I am watching. For this morning. What happened to my scan? It disappeared. LU hit. What's up with that? What's up with LU? See, something's reacting. Something's causing it to react. Oh, this is a mid buy. I guess this is up on rumors. Excuse me, on buyout rumors. It'd be worth something to keep an eye on at the open. Something to keep an eye on at the open. Let's see where. Yeah, we're in a nice gap here. This is pretty good. Got a big level of support here. Yeah, this will be worth a watch. See what happens with it. Will be worth a watch. Alright guys, so we will catch you on the flip side. We'll see you tomorrow morning. We'll be back at it bright and early tomorrow morning to see what we can string together. See if between today and tomorrow I can put together a halfway decent week. Like I said, the swing trade over the weekend is probably the only thing that is going to help me this week. And that helped me for some last week. But this day trading has been pretty slow lately. But we'll see if we can make it a strong week. So you guys take care. Remember, trade for skill, not for money. Now, if you do that at the end of the day, you're going to be counting some green. So you guys take care, and we will see you tomorrow.